So far, how many JavaScript sessions we did? Just one session. Introductory part. Hope everybody you practiced. Right. Logs will see ending level. First, JavaScript statements I'm going to show you. Right. JavaScript statements. Audio, video, everything is clear, everybody. Shall I move forward? Any questions from our side? Any question from your side? Right. A JavaScript program is a list of logical statements. In HTML, JavaScript programs are executed by the web browser. My voice is low compared. I think my voice is... now you can check it. My voice is more perfect now. You can check now. Is it okay, everyone, now? Happy? Right. A group of JavaScript statements in HTML, JavaScript programs are executed by the web browser. JavaScript statements are composed of values, operators, expressions, keywords, comments, etc. So example we can see. So we'll try to understand JavaScript statements type. But I don't want to show you that another HTML example. I'll show you a simple example for you. Right. Now I'm entering into group of statements. Right. So document.write welcome to JS. Welcome to JavaScript. Right. Now I'm giving same thing. Right. Now. So a group of statements. How many statements available here? How many statements existed here? 4 statements existed. Every statement is individual. This is called JavaScript statements. What is JavaScript code? JavaScript code is a sequence of JavaScript statements. Try to understand. Each statement is executed and displayed the answer as per. So there is no big difference. So collection of JS statements is called code. JS code. Clear, everybody? What is the meaning of JS code? Come on, everyone. Am I clear? Collection of JavaScript statements is called JS code. Try to understand all the words. collection of JavaScript statements is called JS code. Right. What is JS code? How simple it is working? We can try to observe. Right. Now, for example, here only JavaScript blocks available. JavaScript statements can be grouped together in blocks. A block starts with a curly bracket, ends with a curly bracket. What is the use of this? The purpose of the block is to make the sequence of statements execute together. The purpose of a block is to make the sequence of statements execute together. His meaning is what? For example, if you are coming back and I said here, this is, for example, I'm giving. How many blocks are existed here? How many blocks are existed? Only one block. Now, if I'm going to close here, and if I can say here how many blocks existed, again I'm going to say that. Come on, how many blocks existed here? You can tell me simply that. What available? Okay, curly bracket. Come on, how many blocks existed here? 2 blocks existed. Maybe a block contains single statement. Maybe a block contains multiple statements. There is no rule here in JavaScript. Block must contains a single statement, like the rule is not there. I hope you people are understanding. What is JavaScript statement explained to you? What is JavaScript code explained to you? What is JavaScript block explained to you? Am I clear? Statement, code, and block. 3 points. JavaScript statement, JavaScript code, JavaScript block. One block may contain a single statement or multiple statements. Right. Next one, JavaScript blocks clear for you. Shall I move forward? Come on, everyone. Right. Comments in JavaScript. I think many of you guys having a big picture about the comments. Comments are non-executable statements or ignore statements. Generally, comments meaning I'm saying. Comments are using to declare customized statements or user-defined statements within the source code. Comments are using to declare customized statements or user-defined statements within the source code. Comments common, my dear, in every programming language, in every technology, comments are commonly existed. You can try to see no technology existed without comments. No technology existed without comments. Single line comments, multi-line comments. These comments, single line comments, are applicable to a specific line or statement. It always denoted with /. Try to get it the word perfectly. /. A comment always. So 2 types of comments available. I'll show you what is the meaning of that. Already I'm using that. You observed or not somewhere else? See, already used. Are you observing? Come on. double forward slash indicates a single line comment. A comment always describes non-executable state. Of course, in other programming languages also maybe same symbols available, maybe different symbols available. I'm not sure that. But I can say one point, in JavaScript level, comments are two types. Right, one comment you are clear. If I'm going to do in this block, this one, will it be executed or not executed, this statement? Come on, will it be executed or not executed? Yes, there is no chance to execute. There is no chance to execute. Understand the terminology perfectly. Come on here. For example, here I said, so in this block, how many statements will be executed? Two statements will be executed. If I say once again here, how many statements will be executed now? One will be executed. If I say now, how many will be executed? Blank. Very good. There is a blank. So there is a blank, not zero. Hope you guys are clear about single line comments. Come down. I'm going to multi-line comments. These comments are applicable to one or more lines. It is always denoted with same C language. Forward slash asterisk, asterisk forward slash. Come on. I think in C language, same symbol existed. I think in C language, same symbol existed. Yes, in C, in Java also same. Very good. In Python also same. Many areas it is equality is there. Right. Multi-line comments. Simply go to previous example. Why we are writing these many lines? Simply can write one line also. So total lines, you can take it simply, single line. Observe total. Total block level you can observe now. Over. So this is multi-line. Is there any statement get executed now? Is there any statement get executed now? No chance. There is no chance to get executed. I hope you understood what is single line, what is a multi-line. What is single line, what is multi-line. So JavaScript contains how many types of statements? JavaScript contains how many types of statements? Two types of statements. What is the first one? Single line statement. Second one, multi-line statements. Single line, multi-line. Right. Comments are executable, non-executable. Comments are executable, non-executable. Non-executable. JavaScript values. JavaScript values. JavaScript syntax defines two types of values. JavaScript syntax defines two types of values. Fixed values called literals or constants. Fixed values are called literals or constants. Variable values called variables or identifier. I hope already explained to you all these things. Come on, everyone. JavaScript values. The JavaScript syntax defines two types of values. Fixed values, literals or constants, variable values, variables or identifiers. Clear, everyone? Right. So what is the literals alias name? Literals alias name. Constants. Variables alias name. Variables alias name. Identifier. Variables alias name is identifier. Right. JavaScript literals. Numbers are written with or without decimals. There is no issue. Whatever you are writing. Right. Come to our source code level. Source code level you can come. In JavaScript level, all the lines I am removing. Where A is equal to 10, I said. Now, for example, I'm writing side by side. Yes, perfectly executed. There is no difference. Now I want to concatenate with some values. The result is I made like this. The result is I made like that. Now A plus B it is not given. The result is, observe you only. A plus B. Now I'm giving, for example, another bracket. Are you following now what it is displaying previously now? JavaScript, be careful, everyone. Now, if you are not giving bracket, total out it is. If you are not giving bracket, total out it is. Right. Compulsory. Comma is compulsory. Now, when you are giving proper, comma is not there, you are out. Syntax error. For example, plus concatenation also you can say. Javed observing what is the meaning of comma, how simply working concatenation. Right, everyone. All the resources perfectly understood. Come down. In JavaScript, strings are enclosed in single quotes, double quotes. Comma we are using. See, now some people are asking me which one is better, comma better or plus better. Generally, strings level plus better, numerical level comma better. I hope you understood now. Numbers level comma better. strings level plus beta because concatenation. Right. Come down here. Now JavaScript strings are available. Double quotation, single quotation. Right. Now I'm giving here A is equal to 10. B is equal to, which one is string, which one is number? Which one is string, which one is number? Yes, A is the string. B is the number. A is the string, B is the number. Then A plus B. A plus B, 10, 100. Right. Now I'm giving that. Is it addition or concatenation? Yes, concatenation. Correct. What is the meaning of concatenation? What is the meaning of concatenation? Joining strings together. Joining strings together. Joining strings together. Come on, JavaScript variables. Already provided. Yes. Now here, there is a camel case, there is a Pascal case. Anybody you heard the name camel case and Pascal case? Right. There is a camel case and there is a Pascal case. Just I'll try to show you. There is a camel case and there is a Pascal case. Observe the difference. For example, camel case means what? iOS, camel case. iPhone, camel case. Pascal case means what? For example, PayPal. Are you understanding, remaining members? Are you understanding that one? Pascal case, camel case, meaning spy name. Observe here. Correctly, closely observe everyone. Real-time coding standards we are using. Somebody disturbing, please. Everybody, don't disturb the sessions. Try to listen carefully and give me chance to teach more. If you are giving the chance to me to teach more, definitely you are getting outstanding JavaScript. No JavaScript, there is no meaning of UI technologies. No JavaScript, there is no meaning of UI technologies. For UI technologies, you know which is the major technology? For UI technologies, do you know what is a major technology? JS, JavaScript. Right, everyone. Everybody try to understand all the words. Camel case, Pascal case, all the words. Right. Now I'm giving, for example, like this, I'm declaring variables. How I'm declaring variables? A, simple I'm giving. My num is equal to 10, I said. Camel case or Pascal case? My num is equal to 10. Come on, everyone. It is Pascal case, correctly observe. If I'm giving my num is equal to 11, come on, this is camel case. Please understand, everyone. This is Pascal case. At least now people understood what is camel case, what is Pascal case. Everybody clear? Only real-time coding standards. Check it once. JavaScript and camel case. Upper camel case. Upper camel case we are calling Pascal case. Check it. All these terminologies you are clear or not. There is no difference, my dear. Real-time coding standards means either you can follow a camel case, neither you can follow Pascal case. No issue. Just a readability purpose. All lower cases, I unable to catch it. All upper cases, unable to catch it. I'll show you in the real-time industry why we are using like that. For example, I'm writing like this: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Like this, I'm writing. Same thing I'm writing: A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So I'm writing like this. You will observe, okay, which is readability you will give, okay. Now I'm giving here. For example, I'm giving A, B, C, D, E, F. So which is readability fine? You can tell me. Which is readability fine? First line or second line or third line? As per your eye catchy. That's it. Readability purpose only. We are following this camel case and Pascal case. All uppercase characters I unable to recognize. All lowercase characters I unable to recognize. Hope you need to understand the things here. Hope you need to understand things. But there is no rule here. Camel case compulsory, Pascal case compulsory, like the rule is not there. Hope you people are following me. Hope you people are following me. Come on, quickly, everybody. All are there? Anybody sleeping? All are there? Anybody sleeping? Oh, all are there. Nobody sleeping. Thank God. Thank God. Right. Now I'm going to one example on that level. So I'm giving here number. My symbol I'm giving here. My name or my num is equal to. My num is equal to. And m my num is equal to. So now I'm going to provide here. What is camel case? What is Pascal case? You only tell. Check it. What is Pascal case? What is camel case? Check and tell me. Right. So perfectly you guys understood working or not. You only check it. Is it working fine? Come on. Is it working fine? Yes. Next one. In JavaScript, semicolons are compulsory, optional. In JavaScript, semicolons are compulsory, optional. Right. It depends. Very good. It depends. We can't say it is compulsory or it is optional. We can't say like that. Now, compulsory optional. Now, for example, semicolons I provide. I am running. Perfectly executed. Now, semicolons are not given. Even though perfectly executing, perfectly executing. Now, for example, side by side. Now, is it correct or wrong? Now, wrong. Then when semicolons compulsory, you can tell me. When semicolons optional, you can tell me. Semicolons optional in JavaScript is not correct. Situation wise, timing wise, semicolons having importance. When we are writing statements side by side, one statement beside another statement we are writing. So side by side we are writing. Those we are calling as parallel statements or parallel programming. So parallel programming level we are calling as parallel statements level we are calling as semicolons mandatory side by side. When we are writing statements serially one after another one, when we are writing one after another one, that time semicolons are optional. So please, you guys remember what is an optional, what is mandatory. So finally, don't say in JavaScript semicolons are optional, please. If you say semicolons are optional in JavaScript, maybe JavaScript you didn't understand properly. Clear, everybody? When semicolons mandatory, when semicolons optional. When semicolons mandatory, when semicolons optional. Semicolons are mandatory when we are writing statements parallelly, side by side. Semicolons are optional when you are writing serially, one after another one. One after another one. Clear, everyone? Yes, guys. Come on, everyone. Is it correct or wrong? Is this program correct or wrong? Come on, answer everyone. Perfect. How many statements available here? How many statements available here? Here semicolon compulsory optional. Semicolon is compulsory. Parallel statements or serial statements? These are parallel statements or serial statements? These are parallel, side by side. So it is a good programming practice to use semicolons. Hope everybody are clear. Generally, logically, giving semicolons are better. Right, JavaScript white space. Shall I move forward? Shall I move forward JavaScript white space? JavaScript white space. JavaScript ignores multiple spaces. You can add white space to your script to make it more readable. Understand? 2, I declared here. Is there any invalid existed here or both are valid? Is there any invalid existed or both are valid? Is there any invalid existed or both are valid? Come on. Come on, guys. Okay. Right. Right. Both are valid. That means if I am using here spaces, is it taking any accountable here? Come on, check it. If I am using here unnecessary space, is taking any accountable here? No. That is the reason I said script is loosely typed programming. Anybody you remember? Script is loosely typed programming. Loosely typed programming. Right. JavaScript is case sensitive. Yes, case sensitive. For example, I'm giving here A. I'm giving here A. Both are same or both are different? Come on, everyone. A minus A. Both are different. Understood? JavaScript level, not like C programming languages. There is no rule here, must be follow. Can you declare like this in C language? Can you declare like this in C language? No, 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 never possible. Never possible. They won't allow. They are not allowing. So all these declarations you need to observe perfectly. Right. JavaScript case sensitive. Right, everybody clear about that. But always, which kind of case is better? Lowercase better, uppercase better, logic level. Lowercase declarations better, uppercase declarations better. Come on, quickly. So variable declaration, lowercase, always the best standard. Always the best standard. Right, guys. So are you paying attention, everybody? Give some emojis. People will relax. Give some emojis, my dear. Some people are sleeping. Come on, quickly. Give some emojis. People will feel happy. Come on, quickly. Thank you for attending JavaScript sessions, but some people without a proper name in the meeting existed. I want to remove those people immediately. Attend with a proper name. JavaScript most important. Please inform to your friends. JavaScript classes already started. It is highly preferred. How much JavaScript you know? How much JavaScript you know? You are that much stronger in UI technologies. Without JavaScript, you never perfect in UI technologies. Hope you guys are following me perfectly. Hope you guys are following me perfectly. Yes. So understand these words more perfectly. Try to get information more clearly. Shall I start? Shall I move forward? Shall I go to new topic now? Right, everybody relaxed. JavaScript plays in HTML file. So generally people are thinking where we need to write JavaScript in HTML file. In header section, we need to write. In body section, we need to write. In head and body, we need to write. Or where we need to write generally. This is very important point. This is very important point. You people need to understand the words perfectly. So header section, body section, head and body, and external. So this is very important. This is very important. So what we need to do here, that is the most important. Right, we'll move forward to one by one. Anywhere you can write. There is no rule here. JavaScript should be right here. JavaScript should be mentioned here, like the rule is not there as per W3C standard. Do you know what is W3C? Do you know what is W3C? Come on, anybody? W3C. World Wide Web Consortium. Already explained to you. Do you remember? World Wide Web Consortium. It is an organization to maintain web standards. Head level, body level, head and body, and external files. Providing these resources more and more important. Right. Head level, body level, head and body, external JavaScript. Now I'll show you head level. I think already shown to you. By default location is head section, body section. By default location is head section. Now head section level, whatever the words I wrote, so I'm giving that. I said here, welcome to head section. Welcome to head section. Now I'm going to take the same following. Go to body level. I said, for example, here, welcome to body section. Welcome to body section. Observe now, executing or not. Use one BR tag here. Wherever you want, there you can use, no problem. You can use directly or BR type because body. Yes, guys. JavaScript executing in header section. JavaScript executing in body section. But what is the default location of the JavaScript? What is the default location of the JavaScript? Header section. Please remember everyone. Header section. Okay, nice. All right. Now I'm going to write head and body also. Okay. Now fourth one, very important. What is the fourth one? External JavaScript. In the real-time industry, always we are writing external JavaScript. JavaScript can also be placed in external files. External JavaScript files often contain code to be used on several different web pages. So one time we are writing JavaScript code, we are using on multiple web pages. We are using on multiple web pages. I hope you are understanding that. Header section level, body section level, head and body level. Correctly observe that one. Somebody disturbing the session, can you give request message to your friend? Right. Now I'm showing one example on this external JavaScript level. So generally JavaScript file extension is what? Generally JavaScript file extension is what? .js. Generally JavaScript file extension is .js. Generally CSS file extension is what? .css. .css. Can we run directly .html file on the web browser? Can we run directly .html file on the web browser? Yes. Can we run directly .css file in the web browser? Can we run directly .css file on the web browser? No, not possible. .css is non-executable. Can we run .js file directly on the web browser? No. .js is not executable file. So browser directly can understand only HTML. Is HTML is executable, non-executable? Is HTML is executable, non-executable? Perfect executable. Perfect executable. Yes, 100%. 100% it is executable. So in that situation, we need to create a JavaScript file. Separately, we need to create a HTML file. Observe here. External script cannot contain the script tags. External script cannot contain the script tags. To use an external script, you want to point .js file, use src attribute. Do you know what is src attribute? Source attribute. src means source attribute. Now I'm entering. First, I'm starting .js file. Observe here. I'm going here and I'm going here. Check it here. .js available. Not see here. Already example.js available. Check it, everybody. Check it, everybody. Are you? What file first created? Step 1 created which file? Step 1 created which file? .js file I created. Is it executable, non-executable? Is it executable, non-executable? Non-executable. Excellent. Then this file I'm going to link to which file? HTML file. Then how to link that HTML file level? How to link? Source is equal to example.js. Observe everybody, example.js. Clear or not, you can check it, .js level, what I wrote. That's it. You no need to write any more. Come here and execute. Observe you only. Observe you only how nicely executed. First step, what I created. First step, what I created. JavaScript file I created. Second step, what I created. HTML file I created. In that HTML file, what I provided. JavaScript source I provided. Example.js. Then which one you are executing? .js file you are executing, HTML file you are executing. Right, HTML file you are executing. That JavaScript displaying on your HTML file level. That JavaScript displaying on HTML file level. Right, create everybody. Shall I move forward to new topic? Clear this topic, everyone. Header section, body section, head and body, and external files. Tomorrow, completely backup session. Tomorrow, only doubt session. Tomorrow is the Saturday, only doubt session. Already shown to you how to create JavaScript file. Observe here, JavaScript file creation with .js extension. That's it. JavaScript file creation with .js extension. You people no need to write anything. You people no need to create anything. Yes. After that one, you need to link to HTML. How we are going? Script tag source. That's it. Script tag source. Now I'm moving to JavaScript pop-up boxes. JavaScript supports three types of different pop-up boxes. What are the three types of different pop-up boxes? How these pop-up boxes are working? We'll try to see one by one all these pop-up boxes. Come on, first one, alert box. Next one is, come on, prompt box. Next one is confirm box. How many types of pop-up boxes possible in JavaScript? How many types of pop-up boxes possible in JavaScript? Three types of pop-up boxes possible in JavaScript. Just three types. Right. Shall I move forward? First one, alert box I am showing to you practically. Bear it, bear it. Another 10 minutes, another 5 minutes you can bear. Some people are continuously typing, sir, tomorrow, sir, tomorrow. Bear, bear. At least 1 hour, 20 minutes, 1 hour, 15 minutes is a good time for us. Let me discuss. Allow me to discuss. Alert box. An alert box is often used if you want to make sure information comes from the user. When an alert box pops up, the user will have to click OK to proceed. Alert message. An alert box is often used if you want to make sure information comes through the user. When alert box pops up, the user will have to click OK to proceed. Very good. Alert box generally we are using for warning messages. For example, mobile number you need to enter. Date of birth you need to enter. Particular age you need to enter. Where one kind of data input required, if you are giving another kind of data, it is giving warning. Sorry, invalid input, or mobile number length is incorrect, or mobile number invalid, username or password invalid. Like this alert box is showing to us. So alert commonly using pop-up box. Definition clear? An alert box is often used if you want to make sure information comes through the user. When an alert box pops up, the user will have to check or will have to click OK to proceed. OK to proceed. Alert message. Syntax alert message. Clear, everyone? Right. We'll see practically things. Come down. Now I'm not giving source here. Over. I'm giving simply alert. Click OK or cancel. That's it. I'm not writing anything. Just observe you only what it displaying. Just observe everybody what it is displaying. Click OK or cancel. If you click OK, something will display. If you click cancel, something will be displayed. Then my input is equal to, now I'm writing document dot write user input is my input. Okay, you can say. Right. Now I'm giving it, for example, my input correctly. Okay. I didn't declare anything. Now cancel. Okay, no, this is. So it is only, it is a warning message. It is not giving any output. Browser to browser, there is a difference available. Now I'm opening same thing. There is no returning, just warning. Same thing I'm opening on another browser. We'll try to check it. Other browsers level, how it is working, we can try to check it. For example, Internet Explorer level, we can try to see. Observe now pop-up. See here warning message. Are you observing? Warning message, everyone. So browser to browser, there is a variation existed. So there is no rule here. Every output display format is same in JavaScript for every web browser. There is no rule here. Maybe there is a chance vary. One browser to another browser, there is a variation existed. So hope you guys perfectly understood everybody. Yes, sir. Come on, everyone. Right. So up to that warning message only I'm sending to you. There's a lot of things available. In the next session level will come to all these. No cancel button. Cancel button in the different level available. I'll show you cancel. Okay. Ramesh Nayak. Here only OK button available. So now I'm giving JavaScript second session, third session. JavaScript second session. Tomorrow exclusively backup sessions, doubt sessions. I'll take CSS in the next session level. Some people having absentees are there. I want to repeat some syllabus for them. Right, guys, are you understanding everybody JavaScript? Easiest programming? Are you feeling comfortable? Thank you, everyone. Yes, compared to any other programming languages, JavaScript very simple, easy. Thank you, everyone. Catch you people tomorrow with backup sessions. Bye, everyone.